Here a new differentiable calculus question with the related with the derivative. So we want to prove if y is equal to 1 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 2 cos of x plus 10 e exponent of minus x. We want to prove this result y dash plus y is equal to sin x. This result we want to prove. Now we are y dash means y dash, and here y dash means we are taking the first derivative dy by dx. Now the given we are differentiating with respect to x, on both sides of this equation. So dy by dx is equal to, we can write y dash. So here 1 by 2 is constant, we take from the outside, and dy by dx sin x minus 1 by 2 dy by dx cos of x plus 10 is also constant, we take from the derivative outside, we take in here, and e power x. So now we are using the rules, and here y dash is equal to 1 by 2, and derivative of this function, trigonometric function of sin x, is equal to cos x. That will be equal to cos x, and minus 1 by 2, and derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x plus 10, and e exponent of derivative of exponential function is e power is minus x in here, and further we take this function derivative dy by dx is minus x. Now y dash is equal to 1 by 2 cos of x, minus into minus, this will be positive, 1 by 2 sin x plus 10 e exponent of minus x, and x minus x derivative is minus 1. Again y dash is equal to 1 by 2 cos of x plus 1 by 2 sin of x, and we minus into plus minus, we 10 e power minus x. But we are required y and y plus dash. We can, that is the value of y dash. Now we are taking left hand side, and here taking left hand sides y and y dash. So we substitute this result y dash, and here 1 by 2 cos x plus 1 by 2 sin x minus 10 e exponent of minus x. Further plus the value of y we substitute, and here y is 1 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x plus 10 e power minus x. So here is positive, so there will be no change on this vector. So look here, 1 by 2 cos x and minus 1 by 2 cos x, this will be cancelled. Either one is positive, one is negative. Similarly, and here is 1 by 2 sin x, 1 by 2 sin, this is negative and this will be positive. Both are cancelled. Here the result is y dash plus y is reduces 1 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 sin x. So now look here, denominator are same, directly we add 1 plus 1 divided by 2 into sin x. So the result will be 2 divided by 2 is equal to sin x. This will be cancelled, so we get the result as sin x, which is the right hand sides. So we can say that y and y dash, y plus y dash is equal to sin x, which is verified. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.